Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve screen flickering while using the Google Chrome web browser in Windows 10. So if you're noticing your Chrome browser specifically seems to be flickering on and off, today's tutorial will hopefully go about addressing it without too much of a hassle here. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Left click on the settings gear icon on the left side, or you can type in settings, whatever you prefer. We're going to go ahead and open that up. Select the personalization tile. Select colors on the left side, and then where it says choose your color, you want to scroll down to where it says choose your accent color. Automatically pick an accent color for my background, so you want to check mark inside this box here. So once that's done, you also want to consider going back in Google Chrome and seeing if that's resolved your problem. If not, you can try selecting the background tile on the left side, and then if you click inside the drop down here, I'd select either picture or solid color. If you're using a slideshow option, I'd consider switching it over to one of the other two options here, because at this time it appears that the slideshow might be creating the issue. And that's also another reason why we adjusted the color to pick an accent from your background, because that could also be having an effect on the flickering of your screen within the Chrome web browser. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.